Hello, and welcome back, everybody, to The Sanctuary. I'm your host, Professor C, and we're going to continue our A&P series here. Specifically, I want to take you through a test yourself for this fourth unit on histology. Approximately 25, 6 questions, something like that, A, B, C, D, so we can practice what we've learned in the previous lectures. Let's go. Question number 1. Which specific type of tissue contains lacunae, calcium salts, and blood vessels? Okay, now if it's lacunae, it could be cartilage or bone. Calcium salts tends to smell like bone, and blood vessels definitely smells like bone. Let's look for bone then. Hyaline, no, that doesn't have blood vessels. Skeletal muscle does not have lacunae or calcium salts. Osseous, okay, osseous tissue is another word for bone, so I'm guessing that's going to be our answer. And areolar tissue is a loose connective tissue that doesn't have any of those things, or certainly doesn't have lacunae or calcium salts. So C should be the answer, and it is. The primary reason why intervertebral discs are such great shock absorbers is because, well, we just learned about this, and we just crammed it in the last talk about fibrocartilage being a great shock absorber. So I'm hoping it has something to do with fibrocartilage. Let's see. They have so many calcium crystals. That's bogus. They're made of fibrocartilage. That's a pretty good choice right now. I'm leaning toward B. Let's see if there's anything better. They're made of hyaline cartilage. No, they are not. They're made of elastic cartilage. No, they are not. So B is the answer, and we are correct. Epithelial tissue blank. Again, this could be so many things. Let's look through our choices and eliminate when we can. Epithelial tissue is amitotic, means it doesn't do mitosis. That's not true because epithelial tissue is highly mitotic. It's always doing mitosis, so that's not the answer. It is highly vascular. No, it is not. The connective tissue that underlies it is highly vascular, but epithelial tissue on its own is avascular. That's not the answer. Contains a basement membrane. Yes, it does. Remember, they are ABCs, apical surface, basement membrane, connective underneath. That should be our answer. D says it's acellular, which is ridiculous. Any tissue is made of cells, so a tissue by definition cannot be acellular. So hopefully it's C, and it is. Good job. How does hyaline cartilage differ from elastic? Okay, so we know elastic cartilage has some elastic substances in the matrix, but let's see what we're looking for here. Hyaline has many more blood vessels. No, it doesn't. No cartilage is vascular. Hyaline has multiple nuclei per cell. No, it doesn't. It's got the same amount of nuclei per cell as elastic cartilage. Hyaline has many more fibers. No, elastic cartilage, turns out, has many more fibers. So I'm hoping D is our choice here. Hyaline has much or many fewer fibers. Yes, that's true. That is our answer. Let's move on to the next one. Which of the following is not found in cartilaginous matrix, but is found in bone osseous matrix? All right. Lacunae. Well, lacunae is found in both, so that's not the answer. Blood vessels. Okay, blood vessels are not found in cartilage, but they are found in bone, so that seems to be the best choice at this moment. Both of them are made of organic material, and chloroplasts is a plant organelle, so neither of them have chloroplasts. So the answer is blood vessels. Very good. Mammary glands are which type of exocrine gland? Are they merocrine, holocrine, apocrine, or ecrine? Well, it turns out mammary glands are a special type of apocrine gland. Let's pick that. And we got it right. Ciliated pseudostratified columnar epithelium would most likely be found. That is a location we're looking for. And we know when we're talking about pseudostratified columnar epithelium, we're thinking about the respiratory tract. So I'm looking for respiratory exclusively here. Oh, in the respiratory areas, could it be that easy that the choice is A right off the bat? Well, it's not found in the lumens of sweat ducts. No. It's not found in the digestive system. And it's certainly not found in the brain. So A is the answer. Let's move on. Which of the following represents a single layer of flat cells that lines a serous membrane? Well, we know that a serous membrane is an epithelial membrane. And we know that we have a single layer of flat cells that's epithelium is called simple squamous. So let's look for simple squamous. Simple columnar, nope. Simple cuboidal, no. Simple transitional, that doesn't even exist. That's a bogus term completely. And there's our simple squamous. That is our correct answer. And we are 100%. Let's keep it up. Which of the following best describes connective tissue? This could be anything, so let's give it a look. Connective tissue is arranged in a single layer of cells. That's nonsense. That's not true at all. Highly secretory. No, we didn't talk about connective tissue being secretory at all. That's epithelial tissue is secretory. Lines, body cavities. No, it doesn't. That's epithelium again. So all three of those first one, A, B, C, describe epithelium. So hopefully D describes connective tissue, contains a large amount of matrix. That is true, and it is our correct answer. Which of the following is usually not found in areolar tissue? Well, fibroblasts are found in areolar tissue, so that's not the answer. Macrophages, I guess they could be found there, but it says usually not found. All right, let's see if there's a better answer than that. Oh, chondrocytes, that's got to be the answer. Cartilage cells are never ever found in areolar tissue. That has to be the best choice. And matrix, there's a lot of it in areolar tissue. So we're going with C. We got it. Which of the following fiber types gives great tensile strength to connective tissue? Again, tensile strength is that pulling resistance. We can pull it without it snapping. Whenever you hear that, think of collagen fibers. So we're looking for straight up collagen here. Elastic, no. Reticular is branched collagen, but do we have just normal collagen here? Yes, we do. So C is going to be our answer, I'm guessing, because D is ridiculous. Carbohydrate, no. So C is our answer. Let's move on. The pinna of the ear, all right, not the lobe, but the pinna, can maintain its shape due to the presence of, well, this is our classic example of where we find elastic cartilage. So let's look for elastic cartilage. Elastic fibers, it is found in elastic cartilage, so that sounds like a pretty good choice. Reticular fibers, no, that's in lymphatic tissue. Collagen fibers, no, they're not. That doesn't help maintain the shape of the pinna. And muscle fibers is absolutely not. So A has got to be the answer, and it is. The inability to absorb particles in the digestive system may indicate a problem with which cell type? So what we're doing here is we're trying to find a cell type that's in the digestive system, first of all. Transitional cells are found in the urinary system, so that can't be the answer. Simple columnar cells, well, they do absorb particles, and they are found in the digestive system, so that may be a good answer. Let's see if there's something better. Simple squamous, no, they do not absorb material. And stratified squamous definitely doesn't absorb material. It's about protection, protection, protection. So the answer is B, and it is confirmed. Next. The thyroid gland secretes its products directly into the bloodstream for delivery, implying, of course, that there is no duct. Which class of gland is it? Well, anything that dumps directly in the bloodstream is classified as endocrine. And we didn't give any subclasses of endocrine, so the answer must be endocrine. So let's find it. Exocrine, no. Apocrine is a type of exocrine, no. Holocrine is a type of exocrine. So no, let's pray that D is endocrine, and it is, and we got it right. Moving on. Blank epithelium appears to have multiple layers. It appears to, but all the cells touch the basement, so it's false. It's faking us out. The type of epithelium that faked us out was pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium. Do we see that here? There it is, pseudo-stratified. I didn't get the other terms in there, but the only answer it could be is the fake out guy, pseudo-stratified. And that's the answer. Which of the following is true concerning exocrine glands? Okay. They are ductless. No, that's endocrine. Holocrine glands are destroyed in the secretory process. That is true. Remember, the holocrine, the whole thing is obliterated as it secretes its product. So that is a true statement. Are there any others to confuse us? Apocrine glands are functional at birth. No, a lot of apocrine glands turn on post-puberty or during puberty. Merocrine glands are unicellular. No, they're not. Goblet cells are unicellular, but not merocrine. So A must be the answer. No, sorry. B must be the answer. Holocrine glands are destroyed, and it's true. Which of the following is not considered connective tissue? Blood. Well, blood is connective tissue. Bone is connective tissue. Adipose tissue is connective tissue, fat tissue. And muscle, of course, muscle is not connective. Muscle is muscle tissue. So muscle's the answer. Right, next question reads, which of the following is not true concerning cardiac muscle? All right, what do we learn about cardiac? It's striated, it's bifurcated, it's involuntary, it's found in the heart. Let's check it out. Cells are bifurcated, that's true, so we're looking for a not true. Cells are striated, that's true. Contraction is voluntary. Well, no, it's not. Cardiac muscle is involuntary, so that seems to be the not true answer. Let's see what D says. D says cells are electrically connected, and they are. They are electrically connected via intercalated discs, so C must be our false answer, and it is. Nervous tissue may contain support cells called, well, glia, although we could call them neuroglia or glial cells. So let's look for some form of glia. Matrix, no. Neuroglia, that's it already, I can tell. Synapses, no. Collagen, no. Neuroglia is our winner. Which type of muscle is commonly found in the walls of hollow or tubular organs? Well, by definition, the location of smooth muscle is found in the walls of hollow tubular organs to allow peristalsis, so we're looking for smooth muscle. Cardiac, no. Skeletal, no. Smooth, yes. Striated, no. Smooth is the winner. Which type of cells are found wedged in between simple columnar epithelial cells? Okay, picture some simple columnar epithelium. We know it's got to do with secretion, absorption, especially secretion of mucus. And the unicellular glands that secrete that mucus are called goblet cells. So let's look for goblet. Fibroblasts, no. Chondrocytes, definitely not as a cartilage cell. Lacunal cells, no such thing as far as I'm aware of. And goblet cells are our answer. D is the winner. And that's the end. How'd you do? There's about 20, 21. Practice them again if you need to. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, check out some more in the series. See you for the next one. Bye-bye.